What's up? Happy Monday. Here's some randomness for you. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do one of the most random videos that I probably have ever really done, but I just have a few little things that I wanted to share with you, but they weren't really enough to make one full video on. Like I have a few new things from Dia & Co. I have some new shoes from Torrid and boots, and then I have a Glossybox that I was going to unbox for you guys. I am going to unbox this beauty. Jordan Shrinks here on YouTube. She's one of my dear friends now. She just started a small business and she's releasing planners. So I wanted to show you. I haven't even opened this yet. I wanted to wait to open it till when it was announced so I could show you guys. So we'll do that at the end. Figured I would just kind of throw these all into one, and that way you could kind of watch whatever part of it you wanted to. And I don't know, I thought it would be good. I thought you guys would like to see. You're always asking for shoe hauls, and I figured if I was going to show you just a few pair of shoes, I should show you what I got from Dia & Co. So we're going to go ahead and jump in. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We do beauty, we do plus size fashion. Apparently we do random, whatever I feel like. All right. So if that sounds good to you, let's be friends. Subscribe. All right, let's do this. I think that I will do the Dia & Co, the shoes, and then do the Glossybox. Whew, feel a little congested, a little sleepy, so bear with me, guys, but we got this. Okay, so Dia & Co, if you haven't heard of Dia & Co, they have, I think, 3 options. You can either just shop like I do, or you can do a stylist box, or you can do both, kind of shop and stylist box. They have really great stuff. If you are a fan of Torrid, I think that you're really going to like Dia & Co. I will leave everything linked down below for you. T-shirt. Let's talk about this t-shirt first. I absolutely love this. You guys know I love stripes. I know it looks a little bit basic, but it's such a good everyday t-shirt. I normally wear, if anyone's new, I normally wear a size 20. I ordered this guy in the, I think it's a 2X and 1820, and it fits pretty much perfectly. There's a little bit of extra room in it, but it's not so loose that it's, you know, baggy. It's kind of the perfect fit. Their tops, I think a 1820 is perfect for me. So for the most part, definitely true to size. Yeah, I love this little shirt. I was just like, I can wear it with so many different things. Definitely a fan. Next, we're going to talk about the jeans that I paired with this top. I ordered these in a size 22 most places. I order a size 20. Every once in a while, I need a size 22. It really just depends. But my last pair of Dia jeans were pretty tight, so I just love comfort. So I'd rather just go up a size. Number, it's not about the number. It's about how you feel in it. It's about, like, and I want to feel good. I want to feel comfy, and these ones were a much better fit. The waistband is a little bit snugger than I would like it. It just kind of hits me in a weird point. I carry a lot of weight in my belly and I am kind of shaped like a rectangle. I heard someone call it a mini fridge and I was like, I'm shaped like a mini fridge. That makes sense. But just like, you know, I got this belly. So these jeans definitely kind of look like they are kind of shaped more hourglassy, but once I had them on and like wiggled into them and was wearing them for a little while, and they were actually really comfortable and I didn't notice it much at all. The only time that it kind of bothered me is when I was literally bent in half trying to put some shoes on, kind of trying to fasten some Mary Jane platforms, and I was like, oh girl, I'm gonna unbutton that top button because she was snug. But great about these is even though I think they're technically a skinny, I don't remember exactly what they were listed as, but the ankle is actually loose enough. So if you want to pull it over your boots, you can. I did test that when I tried on my boots before I went outside. It was very easy. It's got a much looser ankle than a lot of other skinny fit pants. And honestly, they're so stretchy. It's really just the waistband that was like a little snug. I really like them. I love a button-up pair of jeans. I think they're so cute, especially a black pair. I feel like there's so much you can do with them. And you know me, in spooky season, I feel like there's so many outfits that I can put together with those jeans. And I love that I can either tuck them into my boots or leave them on the outside if I want to. Next, I'm going to show you this little purse that I got. I got a few shots of it to show you. I got a purse just like this in my last Dia & Co haul, and it was black and it had studs on it. Love that. I love that one so much that I had to grab this one. I love stripes and I love like the pop of coral. It's just such a nice pop of color. And even though coral kind of feels more spring, I'm definitely going to pull this little bag into fall. It can be a clutch or it can be converted into a crossbody bag. What I love about the bags from Dia & Co is that I feel like they actually take into account it being a plus size women's bag. We have curves. You're going to need a little bit longer of a strap. And this one, their purses hit me exactly in the right point. I love when it like hits me like right on the hip, a little bit lower than a lot of crossbody bags seem to. Fun, cute little bag. I'm a fan. Oh, and before I forget to mention, they did give me a discount code, which I probably already put on the screen, but there is a discount code. It's just so they know that I sent you. So it'd be great if you could shop through those links. But anyway, then the next thing we're going to talk about is this black dress. right when I got it, I went outside because I was like, I'm gonna put on that new hat and get spooky vibes. So there's already been a picture in this dress on Instagram. The only thing is I am 5'9". I'm on the taller side, so it is a little bit shorter than I like my maxi dresses, but that's not unusual for me. If you are a little bit shorter than me, you're gonna absolutely love this. It's so comfortable. I don't have a large bust for my size, so it's not very a booby, but you can kind of position it and tuck it down if you want it to be a little bit more revealing or not. It's just a really solid black maxi dress. I feel like this dress, you can definitely dress it up, dress it down. I chose to throw on a hat and put some boots on, totally dress it down, but you could definitely dress it up maybe with like a fancy waist belt, jewels on it, put it with heels. It's gonna be a little bit elevated. So love this dress too. I just wish it was a little bit longer, but yeah, so that's everything for the Dia items that I got. I will leave everything linked down below for you. So let's go ahead and jump into the Torrid portion of this video. I have 3 pairs of shoes. I've got 2 pairs of boots and 1 pair of Mary Jane platforms. Let me just say, I ordered the Moto boots first. Let's start with those. These are an absolute hit. I got a little too excited. Okay, I normally wear a size like 10.5 in flats, normally 10, but I always get a 10.5 because my feet swell. I ended up ordering a 10.5 in these Moto boots and I put them on and I was a little nervous because I have one ankle that I injured a very long time ago and you guys know I have arthritis, so that ankle is always bigger than the other one. So I feel like I have one wide ankle and one extra wide ankle. Torrid does now have extra wide shoes and boots, which is amazing. I've always been really wary of getting like knee-high boots because of how thick my calves are, but I really think I'm gonna jump in and just get one this year. I'm just gonna do it. So anyway, I got those Moto boots and I love them. I love them. They're a little bit big in lengthwise because I got a 10.5 and I've heard that Torrid shoes run a little big, but it's been so many years since I bought a pair of Torrid shoes that I didn't really think about it. So I tried those on and literally that same night that I tried them on at like 10:30 at night, I was like, I'm gonna order more shoes. These are amazing. I put them on and they made me so happy. I was so excited. They're so cute. They fit my extra chunky ankle perfectly, and then they fit my less chunky ankle more than perfectly. I feel like I don't know if I could tuck my jeans into them, so I got too excited about it and I ended up ordering 2 more pairs of shoes. So these Moto boots, 100% recommend. I would say if you have never bought shoes from Torrid, I would go down like a half a size. And then the next pair of shoes I tried on, girl. These platform Mary Janes. I really wanted the Mary Jane heels. They have like a pair of Mary Jane heels on the website, but all that was left was an 11. And I knew I didn't want to go to an 11. I was like 10.5, probably solid. I ordered all of these shoes in a 10.5 and I do wish they were a size 10. These Mary Janes, I can't walk in them. I simply cannot walk in them. If I didn't have my bad ankle, I think I could. I I put it on my bad ankle foot first and I was like, I'm never gonna I'm gonna fall right over. So but I literally almost ate it in my kitchen. I do not think I'm gonna be able to keep these. I'm so bummed. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna Poshmark them because trying to send those back, they're heavy and I don't want to go to the store and return them. So if anyone's looking for some freaking cute platform Mary Janes, let me know and I'll Poshmark them. I might just pop them up there tonight, honestly, because I really need to grab another pair of shoes before I film the spooky lookbook. I was thinking wedges would be, I've walked in wedges before, totally fine, but I think because of how skinny it is, and how wobbly my ankle is, it's just not going to work for me. I'm so bummed. They're so cute. All right, so the third pair of shoes I got were these absolutely gorgeous heeled boots. I got witchy vibes from them. I wish they were like pointed toe, but they aren't, but that's okay. I love them. I can walk in them. It's a little bit difficult. My ankle is just wonky. I think if I wore thick socks with them, because these again are in a size 10.5, so they're a little bit big on me. I think if I wore thick socks or like wrapped my ankle before I put them on, it might be easier for me to walk in them. I really, like, I've worn flats my whole life. Very rarely have I worn heels or wedges, and it's been many years. I just got a little too excited from those Moto boots that I loved them so much that I was like, I need more boots. These I think I will probably keep. I'm not sure, at least for a little while. I'll get some cute photos in them before I let them go, but I just thought I would share them with you. I've never hauled shoes before, so I feel like this is all over the place. I don't know. I feel like they would be, if you're used to walking in platforms or anything like that, they're going to be super easy to walk in. I'm not really the person to ask because of my bad ankle. When my foot's in any other position besides flat, my ankle like freaks out. I swear, it's such a bummer. If you guys have any places that you love buying wide width shoes from, let me know. So that's it for the Torrid shoes. Again, I will link everything down below for you. As always, it would be great if you could use those links if you're purchasing, just because they are affiliate links through magical links. Torrid has no idea that I put these in a video whatsoever, but it just helps me out. Let's go ahead and unbox this Glossybox. I'm so excited. I have not gotten Glossybox in a while. They reached out and asked if I wanted to receive one, and I was like, do you care like what video it goes in, whatever I do with it? And they were totally cool. So I was like, I was gonna put it in a vlog, and it probably will go in a vlog next time if I ever get another one. But I figured, why not throw this in the video today in a random 3-piece video? Like, what's up? Happy Monday. Here's some randomness for you. So if you don't know what Glossybox is, it is a monthly subscription box. If you need some wine, there's a coupon for some wine. Look how cute this is. So the theme of this month's box is spa time, which I think is so cute. Every product in here is geared towards kind of giving yourself a little spa, a little at-home facial kind of experience. Ooh! Mist Flower and Honey Cream Ultimate Power Couple in a jar. So it's just a moisturizer. You can put it all over your face in the morning or at night. It says it also doubles as a makeup primer. It smells like honey. It smells like honey. It's by Vanilla. Next we have one of those little headbands. This one's so cute. It looks like it's a pink bow. This retails for $12. So this is just one of those headbands that you put on for when you are doing, like you're washing your face or doing your makeup. I'm not going to put it on because my hair is already a mess enough. I don't know. I got a big head. I got a big head, so I don't know. I'm sure I could at least put it on the top of the head and get my bangs back, which is my biggest problem. They're always in my face. They always need to be pinned back. Today I just couldn't handle it and I just pinned it back. So this is really cute. This is by Codex Beauty. It's an exfoliating wash. Let's see what it says about it. So this one is a physical exfoliator. There are different kinds of exfoliators. I'm sure you guys know that. There's physical and chemical. There's the ones that like you put on and go to sleep and then wash them off, or ones that you just put on and they kind of exfoliate on their own. That's a chemical exfoliator. This one is a physical exfoliator. So you put this on, you rub it around and you wash it off. So I'm excited to use this. I like using both. Honestly, it depends on the day. If I don't want to sit there for 10 minutes with one on my face or however long, then I will just use a physical exfoliator. So this guy I will probably pop in my shower. I like to exfoliate my face in the shower. Honestly, I always have to sniff everything. It doesn't smell like anything. Always excited for stuff like that. This looks bougie. Oh, it's a roller, you guys. Okay. If you have TMJ and you don't own a roller like this, ooh, I think it's a jade roller. If you don't own a roller like this, it'll change your life. It'll change your life. If you don't know what TMJ is, it's where you clench your jaw. I clench my jaw, especially at night, but whenever I'm stressed, it can be the smallest thing, and I catch myself clenching my jaw. So I get a lot of swelling around my jawline, and it's a lot of tenseness. So I like to use these, honestly, to massage my face. That's what they're made to massage your face, but if you have TMJ, you're going to extra love these. When I realized that I could massage my face with them, it just changed my life. So this is the Magic Jade Roller by Melusine Cosmetics. This guy retails for $21. It is a one-sided one. The Jade Roller is a skincare lover's quick fix as well as a longer-term investment for improving elasticity, radiance, reducing fine lines, and combating puffiness. So it's going to help kind of drain that puffiness out of your face. That sounds gross, but it's a thing. I'm always excited to have another one of these. I know a lot of people put on a face mask and kind of rub this over. You can do that, whatever. Ooh, this is cool. I'm going to assume before even looking at it, it says breakout on it. So it's probably a little like breakout buster. Love stuff like this. I used to use Clearasil all the time, but I'm always looking for something else. I love using pimple patches, but you can't really use a pimple patch when you're getting ready like for the day. So I think that this is going to be great for that. Let me read about it. This is the Breakout Spot Treatment from Rosen Skincare. Peppermint oil acting as an antimicrobial for large and active bumps. I love that it's going to smell like peppermint. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. Honestly, I might be most excited about that out of the whole box. So this is the Ruby Sheet Mask from Vitamix. I can't even say that. This retails for $7. Goji berry, vitamin C, antioxidants. It's made to restore tired, dull skin. This is a vegan-friendly mask. I love skincare. You guys know that. I have my aesthetics license, so I do take it very seriously. So this is a really exciting little box. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that unboxing. All right, we are going to look at this guy really quick. So Jordan Drink's new company, she started her own brand, let me put it the right way, is Inspira. So this is a planner. I'm so excited. I haven't had a chance to watch her video announcing it yet. Wow, she put a little cupcake. So sweet. I am so excited for her. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Look how cute. So cute. So this is a 2021 January to December wellness planner. So cute. It's got inspirations, aspirations, mental health, self-love goals, gratitude list. She does do weight loss videos, so just so you guys know, there's that too. But I think it's just like an all-over wellness journal that's going to help you achieve whatever goals in life that like you're going for. It gives you the plan of action, expected challenges, your gratitude list. I feel like we can get so focused sometimes that we forget to appreciate the little things. So I think it's really cute that it's like something that made me proud, something I can work on, a lesson I learned. I won't go into too much more of this, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Congratulations, Jordan. So excited for you. And thank you so much for this. I'm excited to use it. I really, girl, I need a planner. I'm all over the place. You guys know that. All right, love, so that is everything for this random video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you did, and this way I can kind of bring you more stuff, because sometimes I just order 1 or 2 things from somewhere. In reality, not every person normally will order a ton of stuff at once. Normally when I'm filming a haul, I try and get a whole bunch of stuff, at least like 8 to 10 items, if not more, so you guys can see a full haul. But if you guys like kind of random hauls like this where I include a few different things into one, please let me know down in the comments. Give it a thumbs up. That way I know, and that way I can just kind of include more videos for you with just random stuff that I've been getting. Because honestly, most people shop like that more than, not many people go and spend $200 at one place at a time unless they're like really ready for the season and want to get a whole bunch of new clothing. You know what I'm saying? So let me know. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Like I said, I'm rambling. I love you guys much. Thanks so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Maybe ever. It's because yourself or sharp yourself. I'm like super congested. I don't know if I have allergies or what today. A little bit lower than a lot of crossbodies. I just do. Let me just say that I ordered the motorboat vegan now, so I don't know if I can rub honey on my face. That's sanitary, it's fine. So the jade roller is a skincare. It's not Christmas time yet. We have to get through spooky season, and then Christmas time. Sheet mask by Vitamesks. I'm showing you the wrong side. I know that I say I'm a mess a lot, but today, she a mess.